Space. From swirling galaxies to shimmering nebulas, the universe is a vast and mysterious expanse that has captivated human imagination for centuries. The universe is an endless source of fascination, filled with wonders that challenge our understanding and inspire our curiosity. Join me, Daya, on a journey beyond the familiar, as we delve into the mysteries of the cosmos and uncover the secrets of the stars. We will explore some of the most mind-blowing space facts, from the birth of stars to the enigmatic black holes, that will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about the cosmos. Prepare to be amazed by the scale and beauty of the universe. Fasten your seatbelts, space cadets, because we're about to embark on an exhilarating adventure through space and time to the furthest reaches of our universe. From the edge of the observable universe to the wonders of our own solar system, this journey promises to be a thrilling exploration of the cosmos. Let's get started. Let's raise a glass to the constellation Sagittarius. Nestled among those distant stars lies a giant cloud of alcohol, enough to make 400 trillion pints of beer. But before you start planning your interstellar pub crawl, remember, the alcohol in this cloud is mostly methanol, toxic to humans. Time on Venus dances to a different tune. A single rotation on its axis takes 243 Earth days, making a Venusian day longer than its year. This bizarre temporal twist is a testament to the universe's ability to bend our understanding of fundamental concepts. Stars are often associated with immense heat, but WISE 1828 plus 2650, a brown dwarf star, is so cold that its surface temperature dips to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. This discovery challenges our traditional understanding of stars and reveals the incredible diversity of celestial objects. We've gazed up at the moon for centuries, marveling at its beauty and wondering about its mysteries. But what about the side we never see? The far side, often called the dark side, remains elusive and largely unexplored. Due to tidal locking, the moon always shows us the same face, creating a sense of familiarity with one side, while keeping its hidden half a mystery. This hidden hemisphere is shrouded in darkness and intrigue. Imagine the secrets that lie hidden on that unexplored hemisphere. What ancient craters, unknown landscapes, and cosmic stories could it reveal? The far side of the moon is a reminder that even in our own cosmic backyard, there are still mysteries waiting to be uncovered, and frontiers waiting to be explored. As we continue our journey into space, the moon's hidden half beckons us to discover its secrets. Journey with me to the constellation Cancer, where a planet made almost entirely of diamonds awaits. Known as 55 Cancri e, this glittering world is twice the size of Earth and orbits a sun-like star. Its carbon-rich composition has transformed its interior into a giant diamond, a celestial beacon shining brightly against the cosmos. From giant clouds of alcohol floating in the vastness of space, to planets made entirely of diamonds, sparkling like cosmic jewels, the universe is filled with mind-blowing wonders that challenge our understanding. Every corner of the cosmos holds the potential for new discoveries, waiting to be uncovered by curious minds, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and expanding our horizons. Which of these incredible space facts amazed you the most? Was it the idea of diamond planets or the vast molecular clouds? Let me know in the comments below. Your thoughts and insights are always welcome. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating discoveries and updates on the latest in space exploration, and as always, keep looking up. The universe is vast and full of wonders just waiting to be explored.